Hi, Brother Lambert. I am here to show you around my final version of my website. As you can see over in the left corner, I have a logo ready to go. It's two C's for Charles Clark that overlap into an optical illusion that kind of looks like a physically impossible shape. I thought it was cool. I have the left side menu static, so on the right you can scroll down. I say, welcome to my website. Here you will find a portfolio of my work to date along with my work history. Enjoy. I wanted to go kind of simple on this because I'm not a graphic designer, but I wanted to stay classy but not look like I tried to put in too much content where it wasn't necessary. So over here are the links, and they are working. My portfolio, I decided to use things that I am doing in Comm 130 right now, which I'm actually quite proud of. Here I have a cover of a New Era magazine that I did in Photoshop. I was required to do a magazine spread. I didn't want to do the whole spread because I thought it would just take up too much space, but I thought that the cover looked really good and that it would be a good representation of my ability to use Photoshop. Also, below that, submitted my final version of my icons that I designed with Illustrator. So that kind of shows that I'm able to do things with the Adobe Creative Suite. Below that, I put in testimonials, just excerpts from my letters of recommendation for law school. So there's my testimonials from Brother Nate from over the economics department, and another one from Brother Romney over in the religious department. These are two excerpts from the letters of recommendation that they wrote me for law school. Finally, I really liked how some people were using HTML to do their resume. I didn't want to just upload the document and have it there or click or be able to download it, so I put it in a reader-friendly kind of format here. So I have my picture. I have currently have an associate's from BYU, pursuing my bachelor's, accepted to Concordia Law School, and then I have my experience. And it's organized here with some, instead of dates, I just wanted to have what I did, my position I had, and then some bullet points of what I did there. So I cleaned it up a little bit and made it straight to the point. And then that way, if somebody is just looking at my website, wants to get to know me a little bit better, wants to know about me, then they'll have no trouble just kind of seeing what I'm able to do in Adobe and what my experience has been. Well, that's my final version of my website. I hope you enjoyed it. It's been a pleasure working with you this semester, and I am very thankful for all the experience that I've had with WordPress and using the different page builders and plugins and tools and everything as well. Very enjoyable. Thanks again. Take care.